Well, kumusta kayo mga idol? Ang ating mapanood sa video ito ay ang laban ni Young Mark versus Mike Tyson. Pero bago natin umpisa na ang video ito, kung bago ka pa lang sa aming munting channel, huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakihit na sa notification bell sa all para lagi tayo updated sa bago nating i-upload tulad nito. Maraming salamat po. Pero bago natin umpisa ng bakbakan ito ay mag-intro muna tayo mga idol. Ating balikan na naging laban ni Young Mark versus ng tinaguriang daayungan Mike Tyson at alamin kung paano nga ba hininto na referee ang bakbakan upang hindi na lumala ang pinsala ng kalaban.
The fight tonight. That's the first time I've seen a main event fighter come to the ring with no rope on.
First round, you'll probably miss a Mike Tyson fight.
He's a young, strong guy who jumps right on his opponents, and I think this might be another early stoppage because this guy's been a little wild. He's going to get caught with something. That jab pushed him back. Oh, this guy.
But Mike Tyson is absolutely awesome. Back and watch, but don't miss it. A low right from Young. Agrees.
That's it.
A little phantom. He's gone. It's over. First round. I would like to see it also.
It was on the opposite side of the ring, and
Well, we said if you blink, you could miss it. Here it is. Tyson in the darker trunks lands a left. There will be a Tyson shot that hits him. Then they separate. Knockdown, knockout coming in round one of this heavyweight fight. There it was.
50 seconds of the first round. Mike Tyson.
body blows, but he hit him with a quick left hook right there and snapped the head back. And a lot of times you catch a guy on the right side of the chin.
Fight and money worth, and I was a little bit not really. I expected him to come out because I was watching him in the way and the way he was looking at me, and I felt the intensity of his personality. And then he came out to fight, and I was ready to come in here and fight with him and stay body to body with him.
Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Walang sawang suporta. Ikaw idol, anong masasabi mo sa bakbakang ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye.